and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a health bar. So open Photoshop and get ready. Okay, before we start, I wanna tell you two things. First, sorry for the mic quality, and second, thanks for Legacy for shouting out my channel. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first, grab your pen tool, change the color, click, hold shift, then click in a far away spot, then click here, then click right here, holding shift, then combine the lines, then click shade, then go and rasterize the layer, go right here, shadow, make this 90, bit bigger, add this. Okay, then I'm gonna add, no, I think this is perfect. So this is it for the inner bar. Now I'm gonna do Control J and make this invisible. Then clear the layer style. Then go right here, give it drop shadow. Then go give it gradient and make it something a bit dark. Okay, this will. Okay, something like this. Then I'm gonna add stroke, make it outside, make it 4, make the color metallic white. This would be good, yeah. And let me give it inner shadow. Go right here, like this. Inner glow, make it bigger. Something like this. And yeah, I guess we're done. This. Yeah, as you can see, now we have something like this. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.